Twitter is a crazy place, and I figured that as a developer, maybe I should have some fun with it before. So today we are going to create a Twitter bot. And not just any Twitter bot. We'll create one that gives updates about Bitcoin, which is also super crazy. I'll use crazy to destroy crazy. Crazy, right? The hardest part is not the code itself, but to make this shit look interesting to non-technical folks. That's the main challenge today.
Challenge accepted.
A Twitter bot is just a piece of code that can handle the actions of a Twitter account. What I want to do is every day at 12, I want to tweet a picture of Bitcoin price. If it's going up, I want to add a happy face meme to the tweet. I think it's trending these days. We'll do the same thing if it's going down, except the meme face will be sad. First, we'll need to get the Bitcoin data from Finance. We'll need the real-time price to see if it's doing good or...
No! God, please, no!
We can do some basic calculations on the data to see how it's doing. Then we create a graph out of it. This graph image will go in our tweets along with the Dean Norris reaction memes. By the way, just look at this graph. This is why I don't buy crypto. And also because I'm broke as f***. So again, if the Bitcoin has dropped, we want the sad image. Else we want the happy image. Next, we need to send these two images as a tweet. Now Twitter is actually a really cool platform for making bots. You just have to create a developer's account and put some details about how you want to use the data. They'll read your application and grant you permission, meaning your code can now handle the actions of the account. By the way, you all must have guessed by now that this is not a programming tutorial. I just want to incite some interest in the people regarding programming and tech in general. Now you don't go and start bombarding folks with how to write a for loop in Python. You gotta provoke some interest first by telling them what you can build with this. Now we write the code for posting the tweets. We run the code and it gives us the Bitcoin update. Perfect. But wait. We have to go all the way, run this Python script to make a tweet? That's kinda stupid. Which is why we have servers. Here you can host your files and set a schedule on how and when you want to run your files. Now our bot is ready to update Bitcoin holders regarding the price. It's gonna do so for the rest of its life.
3 days later.
Okay, so get this. My bot was working perfectly fine for the last 3 days. This morning, I got a mail from Twitter saying application suspension notice. Basically, they banned my bot. And they're like, you have violated some policies, and they want me to go through this huge ass document to figure out what I did wrong. Just look at this. अगर मैं इतना पढ़ सकता तो मैं YouTube videos बनाता.